All right, so I'm standing at the front entry of our Central Phoenix Revival project. And since we have most of the framing done, about 75% of that, now's a great time to kind of see how it's shaping up, and we'll do a quick tour. Come on this way. All right, as we walk in through the main entry, I'm standing in a huge great room. This over here will be where the family does all of their day-to-day living. And then as we move to the right-hand side, we have a very large kitchen. This kitchen is going to feature double islands. There'll be one approximately right here. This will be a sit-up island. And then the main working island is going to run this way within our sink and window wall here and our cooking wall back there. This kitchen is going to be huge. It's going to support a lot of people. Really probably going to elevate the experience for our clients. In addition to that, as we move to the north side of the kitchen, we'll have a large set of doors here that will come out to a private courtyard and a fire pit, so that we will tie the inside to the outside of this space. As we come back here to this section of the house, this will end up being a walkway once the framing is done, and we will come into this space. Immediately to my right will be a large walk-in pantry for our clients, and then past the pantry where I'm standing now is going to be the new laundry room, which is where all the laundry is going to happen. To my right, we've got a small hallway with a staircase that goes upstairs to a loft and a bedroom. As we come this way, there will be a powder bath right here. This will be for the main part of the house where guests come in. And then back over here is going to be a media room with a mechanical closet. This will be where the family can gather, watch videos, watch movies, hang out in a nice, comfortable space to really enjoy their private time together. Then as we come back to this transition from the kitchen into the pantry and laundry area, this will be a small hallway that we'll walk through, and we'll enter through a door here. And then this is going to be a new office for the owner. This will be a great work area. It's got a lot of space. In fact, you could probably set up multiple workstations in this space. All right, so here's our entry into the primary suite. It's private, secluded. We'll walk in, and then we're actually going to turn the corner to create our own little vestibule or our own small hallway. So it is removed from the main living area. As we walk into a good sized bedroom with windows towards the backyard and the future pool, as well as we'll be installing a fireplace. And then one of the things I love about this space, and really the house in general, is while it is a good sized overall house, just coming in at under 5,200 feet livable, it's really well used. It doesn't have a lot of big open wasted spaces. These particular homeowners put a lot of thought about how they're going to use their property day to day, and really made it comfortable for them while accentuating the livable spaces for the whole family to gather, which is really where they put the scale of this project. But this bedroom is still a great sized bedroom. It's going to have, a full king size bed, all of the other furniture that's required. Then as we come into the primary bath, again, we're still going to have multiple sinks. We'll have a water closet, a tub goes here, and then we'll have a shower followed by a really nice sized walk-in closet. Again, really good sized overall, great functionality, very nice layout, but it's not big open dead space just for the sake of having it. These particular clients put, again, a lot of thought into how they want to use the home, how they want to live, and they maximize the open areas for them, and we're very thoughtful about their day-to-day use of their private spaces. Okay, so where I'm standing now is kind of the entry to the two downstairs guest bedrooms. Both of them are en suite, and both of them have walk-in closets. So we have a bedroom to my right, and I'm actually standing in its walk-in closet, which would enter right here, and then it's got its own bathroom behind me. And to the left is, again, another bedroom, bathroom, and a walk-in closet for 3 bedrooms on this main floor downstairs, with the existing structure upstairs making up a 4th bedroom, a loft, a bathroom, and then again we've got the office and a media room. So all in livable space. We're going to have 4 bedrooms, a loft, media room, and an office, and some wonderful living areas. Really great use of space, coming in again just under 5,200 square foot of livable. All right, so finishing up our tour for today, we're standing in the backyard, and this current spot is a courtyard. We have a U-shaped covered patio all the way around, which is going to offer multiple spaces for our clients to use. And then this will be a common area where they can hang out, get a little bit of sunshine, be out in the open air. And then as we walk further back, or I'm coming closer to you, a new pool is going to start at about right here and be rectangular and shoot directly to the south side of the property.